Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Last night I popped down to the pub to have a quick drink with a few friends of mine, and in the middle of the usual fairly light, fairly jokey pub banter, one guy who was there with us completely went off on one and spent about 10 minutes trying to persuade everybody to vote for the Green Party in the forthcoming local elections. Once he'd finally finished, everyone looked around slightly nervously, and one of the other guys there shrugged and said, "Never misses a chance to get on his soapbox, does he?" If you say that someone has got on their soapbox, you basically mean they're expressing opinions about something in a very forceful kind of way. Originally, a soapbox was a big wooden box that people used to stand on in public squares when they wanted to make speeches and address people. And it's now often used metaphorically. So maybe, you have a family gathering and your granddad gets on his soapbox about immigration again, which somewhat sours the evening for everybody. Maybe you've got friends who get on their soapbox at every possible opportunity, and you get a bit sick of hearing them go on about things. So when they do get on their soapbox like this, you tend to just tune them out and stop listening. In the old days, when you had a village idiot, they would usually only be able to spread their idiocy to people in their village, maybe in the village square, maybe in the pub. One of the problems of our age is that the internet gives every village idiot a soapbox to stand on. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use Get On Your Soapbox.